artists can use SheModern sticky stamping polish as a solid colors, or take advantage of the sticky polish as long as the background is non-stick, and then rub loose glitter over top. I'm going to use this color black opaque air dry stamping polish to stamp this leaf stamp image here. Apply a thin layer evenly. Scrape down. Pick it up with a jelly stamper. Clean up the surrounding. Clean these up with acetone polish remover. With this air dry stamping polish, we're gonna stamp over this dark black nail polish base and make sure the nail polish layer is non-stick, no tacky or sticky. If this is gel or if this is air dry polish base, then make sure it's non-stick, because later on we're gonna play with dry coloring with loose glitter. So here, take your time to see where we want to stamp this image. Because the background is non-stick and this stamping image is sticky, we're gonna turn it into a full cover glitters effect. So I'm using these two colors, the two shade of green, the lime green and the dark green here. With SheModern's glitter stored in this convenient container that easy, quick and open the cap. We can dispense it on the canvas and then pick it up the glitter from there or from here. I'm going to loosely dispense directly onto this image and lightly angle down and tap the bottom. Little goes a long way. Control the tapping so little goes out. Now using a clean finger or a soft sponge, and at this stage, first lightly tap to mix the glitter and adhere any loose glitters to the sticky leaf image. Fully cover the image. So imagine here, if I'm using just one solid glitter colors, it's gonna be one color, but since I'm using two colors to create a shading effect, tap and press slightly. This is to help the glitter to adhere to the sticky image, to fully cover this image and turn it into a glitter stamping nail art. So the base color sticky can be any color. The darker or black, it's gonna really intensify the glitter sparkle. This to show that if wish, can use any other color sticky from SheModern collection stamping polish beside black. And then lightly brush away any loose dust. And you're gonna have yourself a full glitters cover stamping nail art. If using a fingertip, can quickly clean up with a sticky lint roller. Now artists can stop here and apply top coat. Look here, because the background is non-stick, glitter only stick to the sticky image. This is a quick and easy way for artists to turn any sticky stamping image using SheModern air dry sticky stamping polish and rub loose glitter over top. But I'm gonna go ahead and show color swatching for another color, which is white. This time I'm gonna stamp and use the Dragonfly. I'm gonna use white air dry stamping polish color this time to also show color swatching for the white color opaque. Clean up the surrounding of the image. Now to add interest to this nature dragonfly and the background glitters stamp leaf, I'm gonna go ahead and position this dragonfly to where I want it. So take your time as an artist to see where you want to position this. And this one, you can place it and it will stick to even over top of the glitters. So let's have it somewhat like this. If wish, artists can go ahead and apply another loose glitter color over this white dragonfly or leave as is. I'm gonna leave as is. I'm gonna go ahead and stamp again this outlines leaf stamp here with a white to add more of a cohesive, interesting artwork. So this look like a layering stamping image on a stamping plate. So we're using the first one, apply glitter. This one can stamp directly over top to create an outline, but I'm gonna create an offset, position it differently. I'm using the same white colors. Give SheModern sticky stamping polish a try. It pick up fine thin line for most stamping plate really well. I'm not gonna align it directly over top of the glitter. I'm gonna offset it to create interesting background and foreground nail art nature. So the white on the top, the dragonfly, and the white stem outline at the bottom, to me, it gives a balanced color look with a high contrast from the darker background black and the white dragonfly and the outline. So here, if wish, artists can go ahead and rub and turn this into another glitters art, but I'm going to leave as is to show that artists can use SheModern sticky stamping polish as a solid colors, or take advantage of the sticky polish as long as the background is non-stick, and then rub loose glitter over top or even pigment. So this is just way to be topped off with top coat. With a regular polished air dry top coat that is dry completely to non-stick touch and stamp an image over top, then artists can apply regular air dry top coat with a light hand floating to prevent smear or smudging and let it dry completely. Or if this is a gel nail art polish base, then can directly apply a gel gloss top coat to preserve and protect these beautiful stamping nail artworks.